All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Ankr. Okay, we're looking on TradingView. That's a free platform that you guys can use. I highly recommend it for beginners. Very useful for trading crypto as well as stocks. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. We're looking at the 4-hour chart right now, and I have all of our major support and resistance levels from the weekly and the monthly and the daily chart. Okay, charted up. And as you can see, they're all pretty well respected. Okay, resistance up here. We try to find some support around here. It's been resistance, support, and these are valid pretty much throughout the whole entire period of the chart. Okay. So currently we are bouncing off of our support level right here at 0.10468. Okay, that area. All right, that's our major support level. We've dipped below it a few times in the past week. All right. Yeah, since exactly like 7 days ago. We've dipped below it once, twice, three, four, five, six times. Okay. And the rest of the time, it has been using this as a valid support level. Now, if you notice, what we're doing is we're consolidating right now in between 0.10468 and 0.11991. All right. I'll go back into the chart a little bit later. And if you notice, this is a consolidation period right here. Okay. So this is basically where the price is, people, there's not much demand coming in from buyers or sellers. All right. And that's why the price consolidates. Okay. And it just bounces in between here because, there's a little bit of buyers, there's a little bit of sellers coming in. All right. And then boom, now we have a whole bunch of buyers coming in and we break out of that trading channel. Okay. So that's what we need to happen currently. We need to either see a whole bunch of sellers step in and drive the price lower, or a whole bunch of buyers step in and drive the price higher, because we have just been consolidating between basically like 0.12 and 0.105. Okay. Um, so yeah, so those are going to be our, support and resistance levels we need to break, okay, to try to get an idea of a clear direction. If we break above there, our resistance level is going to be 0.13305. And if we break below support, our next support level is going to be 0.07891. All right. Now, one big thing, okay, that I want to show you guys is here on the RSI. Okay, I'm going to zoom the RSI in a little bit. So, below here, below 30 on the RSI is what's known as oversold. Okay, and the RSI just basically gives you the relative strength of the price of the coin or stock you're looking at. And so, the strength of the coin dipped really low. All right, we had those really, really red days right there. It was bleeding hard. And if you notice, we're kind of consolidating, but the RSI is rising. So, it could be a slight bullish divergence going on right here, I would say. Um, Maybe not the strongest, but maybe a slight bullish divergence. But the main thing is that every time, all right, Anchor has dropped below oversold, it's been a great long-term buy opportunity. Okay, so if you look here, let's say you bought the top of this day, even, okay, the top of that red day when it was really oversold down here on the RSI. It already recovered to that level once previously. Okay, and it's consolidating right now. But if you look in the past, okay, right here, it was extremely oversold. All right. And then look at the insane massive run that it had shortly after that. Okay. So boom, dipped below, super oversold. And then it went from 0.08 all the way up to 0.18. Okay. So more than doubled very quickly. All right. And then we'll go back here again. And if you look, it was oversold right here on the RSI. Okay. And if you would have held, you could have ridden this wave back up to here. So let's say you bought on this dip. All right. You bought around 0.078, and then you held until the highs. That's 0.11. All right. So that was like a 50 or, 30 to 50% profit right there. And of course, my suggestion is to buy and hold these options and to look at any staking opportunities. If you don't know what staking is, click this video on the top right. I got a video breaking down what staking is. I think it's the best form of passive income right now. And it's the future of passive income. So if you are a long-term investor and you want, instead of just buying and holding, check out if the coins you're investing in offer any staking rewards. Okay. So yeah, so that's just a brief summary. Okay. So we're testing our support levels right now. We're currently in some box consolidation. All right. We're basically just going up and down between 0.12 and 0.105. So look for the break below or look for the break above. Be prepared for it. All right. And just keep in mind what I said about the RSI. Okay. Every time this thing approaches, really oversold, it's recovered nicely. Okay. So keep that in mind, and thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any other crypto coins or tokens or just anything in general, like stocks or strategies you guys want me to make videos on. I'll be happy to do that. Okay. The link to join the Discord will be in the description below. You can use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get yourself a discount on the membership.